Hello, in this Explain That. This is a tutorial on how to enable your Remix Reels on Instagram mobile. Let's get started. So first, open up your Instagram app and then head on the profile icon. Tap on it and then click on the three horizontal lines. Click on settings and privacy. And then you can just search on Remix Reels. In here, click on the sharing and remixes. Scroll down until you see the privacy itself. Make sure that everyone can see your Remix Reels. And then just tap on Enable Remix Reels. You can enable other stuff as well. But for this instance, we're just going to focus on the Remix Reels itself. Now, whenever you swipe on, just like on TikTok, you can see variety of content as well as different types of context. There could be a lot of remixes here, and that's about it. This explained that, and that is the guide on how to enable your Remix Reels on Instagram mobile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.